Dear students, water is very important for all living beings on the earth. But everything has its advantages and disadvantages also. And we always say excess of everything is bad. In the same way, scarcity is also bad. So, water is something that sometimes create disasters. And floods are one of the disaster that is caused by water. So firstly you should know what a disaster is. What do we call a disaster? So disaster is something, an incident, an unfortunate incident which leads to loss of life and property. And floods have the greatest damage potential when compared to other natural disasters over the environment. They are considered to be both social and economic disasters. We categorize disasters as two types of as human made disasters and natural disasters. Natural means the disasters which have happened, which occurred naturally. In the nature they happen themselves. So flood are a type of natural disaster which occur due to excess of water on the earth in a particular area. So floods they are considered as natural disasters because a natural disaster is a major physical event occurring on the environment causing a severe impact over the biotic as well as the abiotic factors. Some of these events may happen suddenly or over a period of time. So floods are considered a natural disaster because it is a major event which affect the environment and it had a great impact on living as well as non-living components of the environment. The notable natural disasters of the earth are earthquakes, tsunamis, floods, cyclones, tornadoes, hurricanes, storms and volcanic eruptions. All these are the natural disasters which happens in nature and they cause a loss, great loss I can say of life as well as the property. So it affects both living as well as the non-living component of environment because it is affecting the living things because people are dying due to that, due to any problem caused by the flood, and non-living things are also being destructed. The intensity and impact of any hazard, any disaster, it may vary considerably from one place to other. Means at some place it may cause more destruction, at some place it may cause less loss. So the deaths, the material loss and environmental damage, it will severely affect the economy of a country, whether it is a developed or developing country. So it affects economically also, financially also, and not only the people but it affects the country on a national level and sometime on an international level also. If we consider corona, it is still not known whether it is a natural virus or it is a human made virus, though it is claimed that in China it is being prepared in labs, but we can't say, we can't be sure. But it has affected the world on an international level, and for a developing and underdeveloped nation it will have a long term impact over the growth, as we have seen in our country for 3 months lockdown was there and economy is being hit worst in our country. So due to these disasters the ecosystem undergoes unexpected modifications.